to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, today giving you an update on Safemoon. Safemoon is a cryptocurrency, and you can go get it now using the Safemoon wallet. It is available on Google Play as well as the Apple Store, so if you have an Android or iPhone, you can access it. So they have about 2.8 million holders, and we can see on here that they're constantly burning the amount of coins, so that's great. It continues to grow the value of the coin. So burning coins is definitely a great thing. It is not a dead crypto. So a lot of people will say some of these cryptocurrencies are dead. I feel like they just don't have the patience to wait for these to continue to go. And then you'll see those people try to jump in when the price is already too high. So circulating supplies continue to go down as the burn amount continues to go up. So that's always a great thing to look for when looking into a cryptocurrency. So going on here, if you're new to Safemoon, Safemoon Protocol is a community-focused, fair launch DeFi token. Reflections, 5% is reflected to all holders for passive income. 5% is added to the liquidity pool. A burn wallet receives a portion of the reflections to never be seen again. So that is this number right here that continues to grow, currently at 428.19 trillion and growing. So that's a great thing to know as far as the tokenomics are concerned. They have the Safemoon Exchange, which is coming up here pretty soon. I'm definitely excited for the launch of that, and we'll be giving you more updates as that continues to be updated. Next on here, I want to talk about the price point. So around the October 5th to October 23rd time frame, it was at a resistance level. It then broke out around the 30th, kind of around the time that they gave updates, and then found a new resistance at this level. So a new resistance being at this level right here, this was the current resistance, and this is the new resistance. So this is kind of level it's been hovering around, looking for the next breakout here pretty soon, in my personal opinion. Bear in mind, it is a Binance Smart Chain token, so you will have to have some BNB in your wallet, but it shows you on here the conversion if you have BNB, if you wanted to convert your BNB over to Safemoon and vice versa. So those are things to consider when looking at Safemoon, and also if you want to get Safemoon. But all of this is easily done in the app, so make sure you guys go check out the app. Their Twitter page holds a lot of great information. They currently have 1.1 million followers on their Twitter page, and make sure if you're going on the Twitter page, you look at the Safemoon page that has the blue check. There are a lot of copycats out there as far as the crypto world is concerned, but the one with the most updates is the Safemoon Twitter page with the check. So they give you some updates that they had on Safemoon Sunday. So every Sunday they give you updates, and then just going to talk about some of the updates from Safemoon Sunday. So they have 5,000 plus wallets and under downloads in under 50 days, which I think is a great achievement. Over 100,000 plus new holders in the last 7 days. Safemoon Wallet update, reflections tracker, added, and new swap pairs. They're going to be adding Bitcoin as well as Dogecoin to the wallet here pretty soon, which I think is a huge update in my personal opinion. You have V2 consolidation on track with Unicrypt. Partnership speed up the process. So they're working on updates and they're trying to get them out as fast as possible. Another big update that I think is going to be coming here pretty soon is a Chrome plugin version of the wallet in development for desktop. So if you go to get like a MetaMask wallet, they have a Chrome extension. So I think having a Chrome extension will help get more people to Safemoon. So I think that's a big step forward. And then 1.1 million Twitter followers in March. So these are the main updates on Safemoon, and they do get them out every Sunday. So make sure you guys go check that out and spread the word about Safemoon. So on here, I want to talk about this is Crypto Depth is kind of a social analytics platform that kind of compares a lot of the different tokens that are out there. And it's between different sectors, but you have SafeMoon here as number 2. So right up here under Cake. only cake is above it. So definitely shout out to everybody holding Safemoon. The project continuing to grow more and more. 1.1 million followers is a large community. A lot of people follow Safemoon. So make sure you guys go spread the word about Safemoon. So these are the updates. Hope to give you more updates as they come out. Make sure you drop a comment down below on a price point you think Safemoon will get to. While you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps YouTube algorithm with the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.